So today we've got a customer's I20N in for a DECAT downpipe, Flexi, GPF delete, and our I20N GPF back system. He's gone for a valved option. So we'll get this fitted to the car and we'll see how it sounds. So to change the downpipe on the I20N, it's a lot simpler than the I30N. There's 4 12mm nuts that hold the downpipe to the turbo. You leave the sensor connected. You just disconnect the actual cable, but leave it connected to the downpipe. There's 2 14mm nuts holding a bracket on. You undo them. There's an M18 lambda sensor here to undo from the Flexi. You've got the 2 19mm nuts on the downpipe to the Flexi, undo them. And then the downpipe should be ready to remove. As you can see, it's now loose. Remove the 2 17mm GPF sensors from the GPF delete. You've got 2 19mm here from the GPF to the Flexi, undo them. And then you've got the Flexi hanger, just push that out of the rubber and both should drop out. So here's a direct comparison of the standard cat versus our DECAT. If you look on the bottom flanges, you can see the standard one is about 55mm at the bottom. Ours is 76, 3-inch, so there's that much increase throughout. At the top, it's about 65mm. 66, 65mm, ours is 76. So you're already going to flow and get the heat out of the turbo as fast as possible when fitting the DECAT. So with this setup, we expect to see about 20 brake horsepower worth of gains. Obviously an increase in torque, like with just the GPF back system, we've got 35 foot-pounds, so we expect to see more. Let us know in the comments what setup you think is better, and stay tuned for the next video.